New CDC data shows the flu is ramping up across several states.
News on 6's Michaela Glenn tells us how the virus is impacting Green Country. Michaela?
A doctor at Ascension St. says we're in the middle of the 2023-2024 flu season. The Tulsa Health Department says so far this season there's been 20 hospitalizations, but no deaths. Dr. Janice Te says flu season varies year to year, but can worsen in October. The peak can come any time in the winter, but is prominent in February. Te says they've seen cases of influenza B within Ascension St. John Medical Center, but influenza A is the common strain circulating around the country. The CDC estimates there have been at least 1.8 million illnesses, 17,000 hospitalizations, and 1,100 deaths from flu so far this season. T says this season can be a breeding ground for germs, so it's good to protect yourself and others.
The best thing we can do to try to prevent influenza or to try to prevent disease is to get vaccinated. And that's the first step. So an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. The other would be to make sure that if we aren't feeling well, as best we can, try to keep our distance.
Dr. T says influenza is among several viruses that contribute to respiratory illness activity, and she suggests you go to the hospital immediately once you start showing symptoms so things don't get worse. Live in Tulsa, Michaela Glenn, Oklahoma's own News on 6.